How to sign up Temu account. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Open up any of your preferred web application and at the top search bar, type in Temu sign up. Once done, you will see Temu register and log in. Tap onto that link. And here, in order to sign up, you can either continue with your Google account or your Facebook or enter your email address and tap on continue. Now at this page, you have to enter or create yourself a very strong password. Make sure that is at least 8 characters. Once done, tap on register. Just like so, this is how you can create yourself or sign up for a Temu account. If you tap on this person icon, you will be able to see your username. And if you tap on this settings, you will get directed onto your account security. Now at this page, let's go ahead and tap on verify now and verify our email address. Enter the code that has been sent to this email address, and once done, your email has been successfully verified. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.